Well, I know it's been a minute, but we finally got the windshield installed in the MGB. I say we, it wasn't me. Big shout out to Jason and all the ladies and gentlemen that work for him at Advanced Windshield. Not far from my house, they agreed to take on this challenge. They had not done it before, and they got me fixed up. And I could not be more pleased that that job is complete. It hasn't been in the shop this long. I went through a whole other process that I was turned on to by a gentleman that worked at the MGB factory. MG factory, his name is Martin McGregor, and he's up in Canada, and he knows pretty much everything about this stuff, about how it was originally done. He turned me on to some options, which I tried and I also did not succeed at. That's a long story that I'm not going to go over here. Bottom line is glass is installed. Next project on the agenda is to go through the front end. I need to check my steering rack bushings, may need to replace some bushings there, check the front brakes, check the rear brakes, and just move ahead with the project so this car can be prepared for a road trip. So anyway, that's the update for today.